I cranked out a full ad campaign in 30 seconds with AI. So many people have been asking how I nailed that premium commercial look. Today, I'm breaking it down step by step. First, open the creation interface in ImaClaw. This is your cloud-based virtual studio. The core first step is communication. Tell it what your product is, who it's for, and your budget. What makes ImaClaw stand out is that it understands your intent instantly and automatically dispatches the most suitable model plan in the background. It also generates several versions of the plan for you to choose from. This kind of interaction is just like talking to a seasoned director with maximum flexibility. You can tweak details anytime, and this white box mechanism keeps your creativity fully under control. Once you confirm the plan, the system will run the whole workflow automatically. It acts like a real-life assistant, syncing progress in real time and even explaining the creative logic behind each step. You don't have to keep an eye on it at all. It will report back to you as soon as it's done. Finally, just hit render. In 30 seconds, you get a cinematic, multi-scene finished video with perfectly synced audio and visuals. Download and deliver right away. That's the creative efficiency of today. And the best part is the final step. Once your video is ready, it will automatically ask for your publishing channels. Choose your platforms, and it will even write the copy and hashtags for you. Then you can post directly to all platforms with one click. It's not hard for one person to be an entire production team. Tell me in the comments, what do you want to make with AI? I'll teach you in the next episode.